welcome back to OtherBuys. So today we have a travel toiletries set. So I got this from Amazon, and inside this box there should be 19 pieces of kit that you can use when you go on holiday to take your toiletries with you. Let's see what they've got inside. So I got this kit because going away, didn't want to take 4 bottles of toiletries. It's just extra weight in your case. I didn't want to buy more when I was there, if I'm honest. So just give you an idea of the size of that bag. You've got a tape measure somewhere. Yes, don't mind the dodgy ruler. Very old. So you're looking there, what? About 17, 18 centimetres. 140 millimetres, that is. So 14 centimetres. In height, somewhere between 4 and 5 centimetres. So pretty small. So in the kit, you've got a refillable hand gel. A twiggly thing. So you can pop it on your bag. Pretty neat. The actual kit. So let's get all the bits out for you. A little bottle for maybe serum or cream. A little squidgy one. These are made of like really soft silicone, so it'll be good for squeezing out. Another little one, maybe shampoo and conditioner there. One here, maybe some body cream. This one, shower gel. What have we got here? Ah, this is good. Didn't know it came with these. Got little labels. Don't know if you can see those. So you can label up what everything is. Then you don't forget. That's really good. I like that. This is a little travel toothbrush. Always pop that in case you forget to take the toothbrush. Or if you're like me, got an electric one, it dies. Little funnel for pouring some of your runnier liquids in. That'll come in handy. Another spray. So maybe, I don't know. God, what are you putting here? What am I planning on spraying? I don't know, room spray? Perfume? Perfume, body spray. Can use those. A little brush to clean all your things with for when you get back. So you can put something else in. And some little tubs. You got a little one. Slightly bigger one. You can put your face creams in. And another little one. A slightly bigger one. And to help you get your products in, little scoopers. Scoop it out, scrape it in. And this is really cool. So yeah, these are quite squidgy, which is nice. Nozzle. A bit like this end of a sports water bottle, that kind of thing. This is cool. So I think I got this on sale for about £10. So I'll put a link in the bio. Normally it's a little bit more. So you're looking at £10 to £15, something like this. I think it's really good. So I'm looking forward to saving some weight on my travel. So if you like this video, please like, follow, subscribe. Link to the product will be in the bio. And we're also on all the other socials via OtherBuys. Thanks so much, guys. See you later.